Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I take my notes, so let's get started. So my essentials for note taking is B5 sized graph paper from Muji, zebra mild liners, a Pilot Juice black pen because I don't really like the Muji black pens because they tend to smear a lot. And for colored pens, I use Pilot Juice or zebra salsa pens. So I like to start off my notes by writing the date and the day of the lesson. So since I'm a really extra person, I'm using a highlighter to write out my title and then outlining it in black pen. The title is normally the name of the chapter I'm taking notes on, but you don't have to make it this fancy like I'm making it. You can just make it normal. But if you want to make it fancy, here are a few more ways to do so. And then under my title, I like to write the chapter number I'm taking notes on. For each section's title, I usually write it out using the same highlighter or a different pen color, or I use a black pen to write it out and I draw a little box with the same highlighter around it. Then for the actual notes, I use a bullet point system. And for any important vocabulary term, I outline it using a highlighter or I highlight it. And if there's something that I really need to know, I draw a cute little arrow and then I write it out in cursive. And for drawings, graphs, or diagrams, I draw it off to the side and I'm pretty sure I put in more effort on this than the actual notes. So that's basically how I take my notes, but I also tend to add additional stuff such as these arrows. And then if I'm feeling particularly extra, I like to add in post-it notes. In order for me to take my notes a lot faster, I like to come up with abbreviations for a bunch of words. If I have multiple pages for my notes, I like to number them at the bottom so I don't mix them up. And if I have a lot of time that day or I'm just really happy, I'll doodle something at the bottom. Sometimes I will add a cute little post-it note on the side and write the name of the class I'm taking on it. So that's how I take my notes, and I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!